Yeah, so you know how Austin was talking about how the bigger your mill, the bigger the logs you get? Welcome back to Middlefield Custom Sawmill. Today, we're back at Nate's and we have a pine log. A giant pine log. It looks like it came from Oregon. This is, what did you say at that end, 33?
Yeah, 33 was the best I could get out of this end.
So 33 inch at the big end. It's about 30 inch at the small end. Gotta back up to get the whole thing in. And it's 15 foot long, you said?
I think it was just about 15, yeah.
Alright, there's my thumbnail. I mean,
bust your knuckles.
This is the biggest log you can put on the mill anyway, so. Oh my god, even this isn't gonna work.
Watch your knuckles. This is 21.
I read somewhere online, some log forum, somebody's trying to sound all smart. They go, if you want to figure out your cant size, take half of the log, then take half of that half and add it back to the first half, and that's your cant size. I went,
so that's
so
20.
It's just 3/4?
Yeah, that's 25%. No, it's actually.
You just took the longest way to say 3/4.
It's actually 30% if it's a small log.
Right.
Because like a 9-inch log will give you a 6-inch cant. If it's a 30-inch log, you get a little bit more. You get like, instead of 20 inches, you get 21 or
whatever.
Yeah.
It would be, yeah.
So I just go, just take a third off. Just multiply by 0.66. Go towards you.
Yeah, baby.
And that's just a little offcut.
Just a little offcut.
It's flat so far. I would say pretty flat.
Yeah, but not too bad.
I mean, I could take a 2-inch piece off so it's useful for 2x4s.
2.5 inches, I can make dimensional 2x4 on it.
All right. Okay, 1.5 inches.
them down.
Yeah, it's great.
That was mine dying. I don't know why it dies.
Because of the battery.
Is that what it is?
Well,
Yeah.
specifically because the battery doesn't have any electricity left in it. I think you guys just need to become one with nature.
No.
The
bees.
bees have accepted me as their own.
No, they haven't. They're just lulling you into a false sense of security. Okay, that's a 20-inch high block of wood. The problem is I can't drop down and cut it in half unless I cut one of these sides off first.
Oh.
Cut the width first, because the slanted part will get in my way.
This one's heavier. Holy crap!
All right, the question now is, can you pull this off, stand it up, and bring it back, and then I'll put these stops up when you're holding it,
I think I can.
and we'll pull it back against the
So
stops.
if we get it on there close, we can probably put the stops on it and then adjust it for square with the cant hook for fine adjustment, but I can probably get it close.
See, typically what I do at this point is I throw the strap on, I put these things up, throw the strap on, and just lift.
We don't have the clearance for it.
You want to just roll the thing, man?
The problem is this is smooth and you're going to slide off it. That's what I'm
I
thinking.
think I can get out past it. I think I can hook it down here. Maybe.
No.
What do you want to do? Let's just roll the thing.
I don't think we're gonna roll it. I'm game to try, but I
I
doubt
love
it's gonna
Nate.
go over.
Dude, let's just flip it by hand. This is
I need a better cant hook. That's what it is.
This is over 3,000 pounds.
Oh yeah?
We're not picking it up. We're rolling it. It'll be fine. I'll give it a try.
We're not rolling it unless we use the straps. I'll try with the straps. I don't want to do this by hand.
You don't have to.
You're not going to roll it.
That sounds like a challenge.
Yeah, you can't tell Nate he can't.
You can't tell Austin he can't.
You can't.
I don't know.
I greased the wheels. Go for it.
Are they greased now?
All right, Nate. Let's see how bad we can hurt ourselves.
Wow, you're lifting it.
All right, here's what we're gonna do.
The strap would be so much easier. It's lower now. We can get in here and
Hey, we're
lift it
trying to
with this.
reduce our carbon footprint.
I don't know that I can.
Your rotting bodies are going to increase your carbon footprint.
Rotting body. That's a good one, George.
Yep, I'm done.
Okay, good. Let's get the strap on it. You got 4 more inches. Where do you put my That's at 30 inches.
Don't we still need to use the tow board?
Yeah, we probably do. Why do you have to be so right?
Yeah, because you're on the fattest part of the log down here.
I know.
4.
That's as much as I'm going.
Okay.
I'll do 4 and you can just trim the edges.
Sure.
I'll have a great big piece of wood, whatever it is.
For whatever it is that what he said?
Yeah.
Well, you can always cut block.
Ready?
Wait, hang on. Go. Now push that in. Let gravity do the work.
Yeah. This is a little easier to handle.
It's only 1.25 inches thick. 1.25 by 20 inch.
That'd make a great shell.
That would. And here, take this off, you got a live edge.
That's right. Looks just like a. It's true.
There's that crack that we've been seeing. See it there real good. So it looks like it's ring shaped, but on the other side of the log there's a hole. This is what we're trying to cut around. So as you come down the log, and I'm not going to brush it off, it's just pounding. Here you can see that hole? Big old spider came out of there.
Oh,
See,
man.
that's hollow.
All right, good.
Yeah, there were ants in there. There's an ant home in this thing.
Yeah, there is. That's not a good surprise.
Nope.
Tractor again?
I would. Okay, so what we found, there's rot up here. So we're going to go down to the bottom of the bark and cut it, and then drop down 10 and cut again and just get 1 out of this. So I'm cutting a 6 by 8 off the top. Compared to the other stuff we moved, it should be light.
It's also a lot of bark in there.
A lot of Wayne.
A lot of Wayne.
A lot of Wayne.
Is that like Little Wayne's brother? A lot of Wayne?
A lot of Wayne. Paul Bunyan's,
Off bearing?
Jeez, there's a wheel there, buddy.
You want it on the tractor? You got to
No.
get that other one off.
I can roll it this way and we'll just leave it laying 8-inch side up
Okay,
since the next cut is at 10 anyways. So,
that's fine.
ready?
That is a Matt Cremona move.
What's that?
Leaving an 8-inch thick piece of wood on the sawmill while he cuts something else because his mill is, you know, 60 inches wide.
Right.
That's a big pile you got going. You're going to break your mill.
Oh. You want to do it the wimpy way.
Yes. Okay.
Get out of your way, buddy. Alright, go.
This kid, you know,
Piece isn't
you
that
got to come
heavy.
over to my house when I'm sawing. That's some big pieces of wood. 8 by 10. Good thing they're not oak.
Right.
So we got 3 8 by 10s right there. We got a 4 by 6 right there. We got this 6 by 8 chunk with a bunch of wane on it. There's a 20-inch wide, 1-inch thick board. There's a, I don't know what that is, 2.5-inch thick slab. Another 1-inch board, a 2-inch slab, a 1.5-inch, a 1.5-inch. So those are good for 2x4s. Those are good for true size 2x4s. That's a countertop. There's a lot of wood there. That was a big log. And then over here, there's a 4x4 offcut. He's got to take one more cut on it to make a 4x4 out of it. And then a couple of slabs that they just look cool. Thanks for watching. Hope you had fun. I cut the log and now it's on his mill. There you go, Nate. That takes up his whole mill.